video of my birthday month series. So I hope you guys are enjoying my birthday month series. And quickly before I begin today's video, let me just tell you, if you're not aware of, I have a new channel. This is how it looks like, and in the coming week I have a lot of new and exciting content for that channel. So make sure you are just checking out that channel as well, and I'm so excited for that. But now let's begin with today's video. So today's video is gonna be about my top eyeshadow palettes. So I have included most affordable, mid-range as well as high-range eyeshadow palettes, because we all love colors, and eyeshadow palettes are something that you must invest in if you want to create some sort of makeup looks. And even if you are someone who wears very natural makeup look, you can use nude or whites or neutral tones for your makeup looks on daily basis as well. So today I'll be sharing my top eyeshadow palettes with you guys, which are of good quality, which are affordable, and which are so pigmented. So let's get started with today's video. Okay, so first of all, I'll be starting with the highest price of eyeshadow palettes that I own. So basically, let me just tell you first, I'm not a person who uses a lot of eyeshadow, although I have a few eyeshadow palettes with me and I'm going to share those. But personally, I don't like a lot of colors when I'm having a very natural makeup look. I only use eyeshadow palettes when I have a very glam look going on, or either I am attending any weddings or some occasion. What I mean to say is, in case of only special occasions, I use colors. Otherwise, even if I use very little amount of browns and whites, that's it. But I have the palettes with all the colors. So the first palette that I am going to share with you guys is by Makeup Revolution. So this eyeshadow palette is the Makeup Revolution Neutrals Reloaded palette. So you get many shades in this reloaded collection. So this is their cherry shade. As you can see, it has many pinks and browns. So let me just open and show you guys. So this is how it looks like. So if you see, there are 4 to 5 shimmery shades, and then there are matte shades as well. You can see here there are very bright colors. The beauty of this palette is that even if you have only one palette, you can create many looks. See, you have nudes, you have whites, you have shimmers, you have bomb colors. You can also create sunset and sunrise eye makeup looks using this palette. So that's the beauty of this palette, and let me just show you how pigmented it is. So I'll show you one shimmery and one matte. So let me just look at this, and I've just swiped once, and this is the shade that you get. So yeah, one more shimmery shade I'm gonna take and show you. So look at this. So this is how this eyeshadow palettes are pigmented, and also the price of this one is around 1000 for one palette. But if you check out on online websites, you'll get it on discount. You'll find it around 700, sometimes 800. And also do have an eye over the sale, because sometimes what happens, you get buy one get one free offers in this palette specifically. So yeah, you can just have your palettes during that period also. You'll save a lot of money. Now let's come back to next palette. So the next palette that I have is from the same brand, Makeup Revolution. So basically what I had done was, I had bought a set of these two together. So the cost of this one is also somewhere around 950 or 1000. Now talking about the shade range, this has more of nude colors. Also, I broke one of the shades. It just fell from my hand and my heart skipped a bit, because it's such an expensive palette. And yeah, what I mean to say is, this has all the nude colors that you will require to create eyeshadow looks. Have a look. I particularly use this shade a lot, and on the outer corners you can use this shade. This palette is bomb. I have used this palette so much. Almost in all my videos I have used only this 2-3 brown shades, and that's it. Still, you can experiment a lot with these colors, lighten it, brighten it, darken it, and you can create lots of looks. So this palette is a great thumbs up. Go for it. It's such a pigmented palette. I'll leave the link in the description box if I'm able to find all of this, because I've bought it from different sites. This for sure will be available on Amazon. I'll put the link below. Now on number 3, I have such an affordable eyeshadow palette which is so colorful, so vibrant. You guys are gonna love it. Look at this palette. Look at this. The shades are so beautiful, and it's called the Sugar Plum palette by Nicka K. Now can you guess the price of this one? Like how much would have it this palette would have costed me? It's only for 300 rupees. Like it was on a sale and I got it for 300. The actual price of this one is around 600. Yeah, it's for 600. Still I would say it's a very good deal. And look at the colors. Look at the colors. Here also you get a combination of all the shimmer shades as well as you know, matte shades. There are more of shimmer shades as you can just see, and all of these are very beautiful shades. Specifically if you're going for any function, these are the shades that you require. Trust me, if you have just one palette like this, you can create lots and lots of makeup look. Also they have different shades in this one. Like this is the purple one, then you have red one, then you have the blue one. There are different shades. I'll be showing you another shade also because I have one more shade in this range. So yeah, this eyeshadow palettes are so pigmented, you guys. It's so pigmented. You will love it. This is a non-sponsored video. I have bought this with my own money, but the quality, I was not expecting such quality in 300 rupees. I just bought it for trial, like let's just try out how it is, because I was getting it on a discount, so why not? And when I bought it, I ordered more of this because this is bomb. On the 4th number, I have the same brand and another shade from the same brand. It's called the Poison Apple. It's the name of the shade, and the brand is same. Look at the colors. So as the name says, Poison Apple, this has more of reds. So as you can see here also we have most of the shimmer shades and 3 to 4 matte shades, and these colors are so beautiful. Look at this shade. This one, mauvey red, it's so good. Again, the price of this one is 600, and I also got this one for around 300 or 400. Yeah, so this is really a good deal. What you can do is you can get one of these palettes in the shade which is your favorite. Like if you love purple, get a purple one. If you love red, get a red one. Brown, then you can also get a brown one. So I'll leave the links below. Check it out, it's amazing. Now comes the 5th eyeshadow palette. It's also from the brand Nicka K. Like I know you guys are gonna tell me how many eyeshadow palettes you have from the same brand, but trust me you guys, the pigmentation is so good, I cannot resist buying more. So this palette is a total festive palette, and this has 9 shades in it, and as you can see all of the shades are shimmer shades. Specifically for wedding season, this is the palette you have to have, and the price of this one is around 550. Yeah, this one is for 550. Look at the colors. Like you have all the shimmer shades. If you just carry this one palette to whatever wedding you are going for, you can create tons of look. And this is quite pigmented, and this brand particularly has bomb eyeshadows at very affordable price. Now it's the time for 6th eyeshadow palettes, and guess what? These eyeshadows are the most affordable eyeshadows you will get. I have this single eyeshadows from NY Base. So this is how it looks like. Now basically why I love this single eyeshadows is if you are a college going girl or if you're office going girl who doesn't use a lot of eyeshadows, okay, and you don't want to invest, you know, 500, 600 or even 1000 rupees into eyeshadow palettes because you're not going to use them daily, right? What you can do is you can invest in such singles. These are just for 125 rupees, and you get just one color like this. Look at this shade. It's a very dark brownish maroon kind of shade, and it looks so pretty. You can create lots of looks with this one. You can lighten it, darken it, mix it with other colors, and you can just make your own combination. So yeah, definitely if you're someone who doesn't use a lot of eyeshadows, I would tell you to invest in this one. These are quite pigmented, you guys. And now it's time for the last eyeshadow, which is from the same brand. It's an eyeshadow single from NY Bay. Look at this. So the shade which I have right now is a very peachy kind of shade, and this one is a shimmer shade. So in this eyeshadow singles also you get shimmer as well as matte shades. So if you're someone who is more interested in shimmer kind of looks, try investing in this kind of singles. The benefit of buying the singles is if you just want to try out, if you're not sure how the quality of the product is going to be, you will not regret after buying this, because many a times I've seen, if I buy eyeshadow palettes and they're not pigmented, they are very dusty. By dusty I mean they're very chalky, and you just see a lot of fallout under your eyes, and that doesn't look good. Okay, so what happens, you can just use 1 or 2 singles like this, and if you're a person who doesn't wear a lot of eyeshadows, this is going to be more than enough for you guys. So I whenever I travel, I just carry 1 eyeshadow palette like this, because I however use very less eyeshadow. So I just throw in my bag one or two such singles, and I'm done with that. So yeah, that was all about my top 7 eyeshadow palettes, and I hope you guys would have loved it. I'll mention the links in the description box. Do not forget to check it out, and also don't forget to check out my new channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video.